Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check tagged posts on Facebook. So for this, open the Facebook app. So when it's open, now go in the profile icon on the top right corner. Click to your username of profile. So a little bit scroll down. So from here you will just click to photos. So you will see this is the first one is tagged photos. The first album is the tagged photos. So what to do, you will have to open it. You will see the red circle is tagged photo. So here you can find your tagged photos on Facebook from the photos. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.